Okie dokie. So let's go ahead and pretty much just open up the API Gateway application and let's run the main class. So hopefully we've configured everything properly. So run, and also make sure that all the other microservices are up and running. So here we should see that the API Gateway should be running. There we go, up and running. And we have the API Gateway in here, powered by Spring Boot. And in here, if I scroll down, you can see that we have started API Gateway and the port is 8083. So that's the one we've configured. Now, what we're going to do is let's open up the Eureka dashboard. And in here, so if I reload this, we should see the API Gateway now. And what I want to do is, instead of sending the request to customer directly, so I said that customer is within the private network and we should never access it directly. Now, currently we are running things on localhost and we can run it directly, but as you deploy things, you should never be able to access any of these microservices from the outside world. You should go through the main entry point, which is our load balancer. So let's open up Postman. And in here, before, remember, we said that 8080, so this is the port for customer, but now we want to send the request to 8083. So this is the load balancer. And then remember this, so this path, when the API Gateway sees it, it will forward the request to customer. So basically, if I say /customers/ and then 1, for example, or any other path, this will be sent to customer. So if I send this request, and check this out, we have a 200 status code, which means that the request went to our load balancer, and then from the load balancer, it did send the request to customer. So let's open up Zipkin, and in here you can see that there was a post to the API Gateway. Let's click on show and have a look. So the request went to the API Gateway, then the API Gateway sent it to customer. From customer, it went to fraud, and then from customer, it also went to notification. And you can see that this is working beautifully. If you have any issues setting this up, please do let me know. Otherwise, catch me on the next one.